Hello everyone. Starting from today, I will share with you some frequently used functions of the Yuanquan design software. Section shares the functions of modifying and finding colors in Yuanquan design. Its shortcut key is a number from 1 to 255. Select the line type you want to change the color,
and then enter the corresponding value.
and the color will be changed. For example, if you want to change a certain shape or line to color 1, after selecting the element or line type, enter the number 1, and then press the enter key. Next, let's take a look at its color finding function. Its shortcut key is CIS, which is the abbreviation for Chinese color. This one can not only find the layer where the shape or line is located, also the color of the layer and the color of the element. This allows you to see the details more intuitively, to modify and confirm the layer and color information of the graphic. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.